At the Premier Dealerships, we value your time as much as you do, which is why you can complete the entire car buying process online. If you're not comfortable with doing everything online, just complete the steps you do feel comfortable with to reduce the amount of time you spend at the dealership. Just pick any new or pre-owned vehicle from Premier's online inventory, click Buy Now, and select any upgrades. If you're trading a vehicle, just answer a few simple questions to get an accurate, actual cash value, and instantly apply the cash to your purchase. Choose your monthly payment or lease terms and complete your transaction. Want to test drive it first? We'll take the vehicle to you. Once you're ready to buy or lease, we'll confirm all of your transaction details by email, and our team will work with you to complete the finance or lease arrangements. If you qualify for any extra incentive programs, we'll make sure you get those offers too. And our vehicle specialists are available by text, chat, email, or phone, and they can answer all of your questions along the way. You can choose to either pick up your new car at the dealership or have it delivered to you. We'll have your vehicle and paperwork prepared for your approval. We'll even review your insurance and registration with you to make sure you're ready to go and completely satisfied. And with our exclusive 3-day exchange policy, it's impossible to make a mistake. Save time. Shop online at a Premier dealership. The future is now.